Nobody can tell me that God is not patient. 'Cause girl, with you, he took his time.
Welcome back to another video. Right about now, we're in the car go to the beach, guys. We're heading at our destination. Reach our destination, we reach on the beach. See the girls them there. I'm not sitting, man. So yeah, I'll check in back with you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we're up on the beach. We just reached, and right now, see that there, the big gutter show and all them style there. So yeah, we just reach on some style. So yeah, clock it guys. We get into you, we get it. Guys, we literally just reached on the beach, people. So yeah, there a walk. A walk. We go get a stable place where we go stay, we go chill and till the team arrive. Cause the sun hot right now, we can't do pop balloon in the sun. So when the sun done, when the sun gone down, we can say boom, we go do that. See? So yeah, stay chill. Hey guys, so we have to do this. See if this no work out, girl, as a pop the balloon challenge. It's gonna get nobody to do or something. You have to just do a normal sea vlog. Simple.
Sexy and all of these things, right?
With dear? Yes, people. Mom's look good and stuff. Anyway, I'm full of confidence because she look good, yes. And she have confidence, yes.
Girl, I'm find love,
Yes. Could be.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We don't have to go far, come back. Welcome back to another video. Right now we're on the beach. As you can see, we're here with 20 people to start with the balloon challenge. Then I move away, so if that can happen today with us in a normal vlog for the beach, or it can happen another day. But right now, the poor girl look talk to me people. Clock it right here. So make sure you like, subscribe to a friend. So out here without fear, one chain you never see. Show them the beach. Guys, we feel hungry, so we say we get something to eat. So we're on the road, stand up on my foot them. So we're on the road and walk. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch what I Hey guys, so right now we're on the road. The place is right out here, so that's where we're heading. Still there I walk. Create excitement and them style there. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned. Guys, the people them live, you know. So you know, say people them here pop the balloon challenge, you know. Girl them active, you know. Yeah, man. So we just go and chill out and then we start the thing if you think you start, you know.
Ooh.